लाउडली मीडिया
उसको कुछ नहीं हुआ, जाने का नहीं है किधर।
The order says whereas Shri Rajan Bhate, social activist, is sitting on a protest on indefinite hunger strike at Azad Maidan since last several days. In view of this office has directed Dean, Goa Medical College and Hospital Bambolim, government to conduct daily medical check-up of Shri Rajan Bhate activist in order to provide him necessary medical aid if required, and as per report submitted by the doctor of the Goa Medical College dated on the 21st November and 22nd November, wherein doctor has advised urgent admission of said activist for the nutrition administration. And whereas the Deputy Collector of SDM was asked to meet the activist, noted that the activist has not agreed to withdraw the hunger strike. In view, the further continuance of hunger strike by the activist at the Azad Maidan may be detrimental to his health condition, which may further deteriorate. And considering the advice given by the doctors of Goa Medical College, I hereby direct following course of action. The STPO Panjim shall make necessary arrangements to ship the activist to the Goa Medical College through proper ambulance. And secondly, they are saying the Dean of Goa Medical College shall provide an ambulance to ship Sri Ghate to Goa Medical College and also provide him requisite treatment necessary. This may be treated as on most urgent top priority. And the one who has made the letter is Levinson Martins, the Collector of North District Magistrate. And one letter is given to the SPDO, Police Headquarters Panjim. That's how we can see the police here. And the Dean, the Goa Medical College. And copies are sent to the Superintendent of Police North and Deputy Collector, that is STM Kiswadi Panjim Goa.
म्हाका सांग ताका डेप्युटी कलेक्टर हेज्या पयलीं कितले लोकांक धाडले, कितले डॉक्टर हांगासर येवन तपासून गेले. तेतूंत हांवें तुका सुद्दां फोन केलो की ताका डॉक्टराक मातशें आपय तो बाबा उपोशणाक बसला, तुमी एकट्यान कोणी तेजी जाप घेवंक ना आनी आतां तुमी डॉक्टराची डेप्युटी कलेक्टर काडटा आनी ऑर्डर दिता. खंयचो कायदो हो तुमचो?
हो प्रेशर आयलो आसा बीजेपी सरकाराचेर. तांकां बीजेपीचे मिनिस्टर आनी MLA आसा पळय तांचो प्रेशर चेक करा आनी तांचो कार्डिओग्राम करा. गरज ना, तो गोंयकारांक लागून बसला, तो आमकां लागून बसला, तो आपल्या ओन फॅमिली आनी बायल आनी भुरग्यांक लागून बसूना. सांगा तांकां पोर्टफोलियो दियात म्हणून. तांकां आयज खुर्ची इम्पॉर्टंट आसा, तांकां बाब राजन घाटाचेर पडून वचूना. आयज 7 दीस जाले, 8वो दीस उपाशी वडवड
मिनिस्टर तेंचे सगळ्यांचे चेक करा.
प्रेशर आयला तेन्ना ताच्या फाटल्यान लागला ताका जेएमसीत घालपाक.
चेक करा,
ताका जेएमसीत घालपाचें ना. आमी ताचे बरोबर रावतली. काय एक्टिविस्ट फर्स्ट NGO सबंद गोंयचे NGOs आर सपोर्टिंग हिम. फकाणां जाल्या सरकाराची. इट्स अ मॉकरी, टोटल किलिंग ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी टुडे इन गोवा.
7 जाले तरी लायट पेटना.
No, dictatorship.
आप मुझे ये बताओ, तो अंदर से डेटा है तो ये सब चेक करना जरूरी है? हाँ?
Let them do that.
करो 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 करो, जो करना है करो, देखते हैं हम भी.
His heart is beating for Goa.
उपोषणाक बसलाय. हे काय काय हे आसा हे मगो नाटकी.
His heart is beating for Goans. Nothing is wrong with his heart. We'll come to know. Even the media and all are present here. हे थापट बीजेपी सरकाराक प्रेशर घालून ताका उपासना वडेन काडपाक सोदतात. तो प्रेशर तांकां कळना.
शेम मिसिस.
तांकां कळना बाब राजन ही वील नॉट स्टेप डावन फ्रॉम हिज वर्ड. करपाचें आसा जाल्यार यात आनी ताका टेंडर कोकनटाचें उदक दियात आनी
मेल्ल्या मनशाक चेक करिना. जितो त्या मनशाक चेक करून येयले. तो पळया थंय तालिगांव कितें जावन पडला तो. कळटलें 5 तारखेक कितें तें तुमकां. हार्ट एटॅक येयलो आनी कितें येयलो उलयनात आमी, सगळें कळटा.
फाटी
किती 108 दिले मशीन ऊपर है मरते अच्छा है मशीन चलता है
Doctor, what is it saying?
Little bit minor
Okay. Otherwise, cardiogram is okay.
भारत माता की
जय!
भारत माता की
जय!
वंदे
मातरम!
वंदे
मातरम!
वंदे
मातरम!
भारत माता की
जय!
भारत माता की
जय!
जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
राजन घाटे 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 जिंदाबाद
नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी
दादागिरी नहीं चलेगी
नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी
दादागिरी नहीं चलेगी
नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी
दादागिरी नहीं चलेगी भारत माता की भारत माता की
आमका गरजच नाही
normal. That means all the parameters is normal.
प्रेशर बिशर मुतूंग मुतूंग सगळे जातात तीच जातात ताका सुमय जाले
तुमचे प्रेझेन्स चेक केलें
खंय बरयला म्हाजे प्रेझेंस इन प्रेझेंस गुडगोरे ताजो स्टेटमेंट घेता
He's okay.
Yeah, writing
I'm
in that is the medical.
हम तो कोण लागतो
डॉक्टरान तपासल्याप्रमाणे तशें घाल गो डॉक्टरान एज पर डॉक्टराचे केल्याप्रमाणे तो ओके हां आमकां तुवें मारूं ते सायन मारले सुद्दां म्हाका ताका प्रोटेक्ट करपाक जाय
तू सांग मला इम्पॉर्टंट आता म्हणता का झालं
making you parameters may change. They will call you if it changes. Once they call you, no, then you will take him because we'll be on.
आई डोंट
Let me call the tell them.
हां
Change
तो
झाला
कुछ आता
Be ready now. Time now.
मरे साहेब 8,000 सगळी
What do you want to put?
तयारी करता तुम्ही त्या का जबरदस्ती
Doctors of GMC came and examined his pressure and did
तुला
cardiogram, ECG, which says he's perfectly fit.
As such, I'm taking the responsibility.
So
As such,
as such,
the responsibility. And in case he's unavailable,
बरा 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 अच्छा
take responsibility, no?
responsibility.
आम्ही बी वरीट पण सध्या
And if any need arise,
And if he's feeling unwell, we'll inform.
तुम्ही करू नका पॉलिटिक्स झाले एक दो तर दौरा बसून हांगासरूच मातशें कितें जालें जाल्यार पळोवपाक नो प्रॉब्लम
okay, see, I have stated something like, I would like to mention, so, okay, thank you.
मेन्शन कर एक डॉक्टर हांगा दवरचो हॅलो
Sign.
आरे हांव मातशें पणजे आसा बिजी आहा बाबा 8:30 यो 8:30
should be patient all time.
कुठे कलेक्टरान बेश्टे हे करून नासतना तेका गरजे
Okay,
कशें
I'll just read, okay? Padra, please come now, because it's an undertaking I am taking, no?
डेप्युटी ना ना माझे क्लिअर करा हांव करून दिवं नाका
So listen, I have given an undertaking that we are taking the responsibility. I am taking the responsibility. Doctors, listen. Doctors came, checked. 1 minute. Doctors have checked the BB. Doctors have checked the cardiogram. Everything is normal. So I have signed
Cardiogram?
here. Yeah, ECG.
Yes, everything is-
Cardiogram is done. I had to mention it. So I say, first thing I've said that I suggest one doctor from GMC to be kept with Mr. Rajan for 24 hours. Secondly, I have taken the undertaking. I have responsibility घेतल्या आणि I सांगला doctors of GMC came and examined Rajan Bate and his pressure and did his cardiogram where ECG says he's perfectly fit and fine. And yes, the Mahila Congress president of Goa, I am taking the responsibility, and if he's feeling unwell, we shall inform the doctors and police immediately.
हात लाव ना